is a repair test for Oscar Centeno. Date is October 10th, 2022. It's 12:10 approximately p.m. This is the shingle that we're going to be attempting to repair here. Got wind damage increasing right here, as you can see. So we're going to go ahead and figure out where this shingle ends. I want to say it's probably 1, 2, 3. Yeah, this is going to be 1, 2, 3. Tools we're going to be using is 5-in-1 State Farm tool, roof snake, and nail claw. Shingles. We'll get a little general overview of what we're working on here. Taking down the line, showing the condition that we're starting off in. Very good. All right, we're going to come back down and get on this other side of me. We'll go ahead and start pulling some of these nails. I want to get a close-up note the condition of that shingle. Give it a couple taps. See how there's creasing and granule loss. Yep, very good. Moving on to the next. Granules pouring off. Yeah, close-up note the condition of this shingle. Creasing and granule loss. Very good. We get a close-up note the condition of this shingle. Creasing, granule loss, same story. We'll go down there, get a close-up note the condition of that shingle. Creasing and granule loss. Okay, we'll come back down and get on this side of me. We'll start on the top layer. Come on. See, there's granule pouring off as we're doing this. Shingle's creasing. Get a close-up note the condition of this shingle. Creasing and granule loss. Kind of step back a little bit. Your shadows might not be able to see the crease as well. Moving on to the next one. Oh yeah. Get a close-up note the condition of this shingle. Creasing and granule loss. On to the last. Creasing and granule loss. I'm gonna get a close-up note the condition of that one. Yep. Go ahead and pull this shingle. Missing one somewhere. Huh. Not seeing one. I was just stuck with the felt. Pull the old shingle out. Slide the new one in now. On these new nails with the State Farm tool, the roof snake. Dude, they're not wanting to go in today.
There we go.
Running out of nails.
Not cooperating today.
No, it ain't, not at all. All right. Repair test has failed. Got creasing, granule loss on all the surrounding shingles. Okay. Just get a quick overview of that. Show the creasing. That's it.